Is your 2014-2017 Chevy SS key fob not working reliably? A dead or weak battery is the likely culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple, cost-effective fix, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video guides you the DIY process. The key fob in your 2014 to 2017 Chevrolet SS uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a standard battery type that's easy to find at most stores. Using the correct CR2032 ensures the best performance and range for your key fob. While alternatives like CR2025 might work, they could reduce the effective range of your remote functions. For replacing your Chevy SS key fob battery, you'll only need a few basic tools. Tools you'll need for Chevy SS key fob battery replacement. A small flathead screwdriver helps pry open the key fob casing carefully. A dedicated key fob opener tool is designed specifically for this purpose. A small piece of tape protects the plastic from scratches during prying. Gently pry open the key fob casing using your screwdriver or opener tool. Start at the designated slot or latch. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the key fob casing back together, ensuring it's securely closed. To avoid static discharge, touch a grounded metal surface before handling the battery. This prevents damage to the key fob's electronics by equalizing electrical potential. Ensure your vehicle is turned off during the battery replacement process. This prevents accidental starts and ensures safety while working on the key fob. Check the battery contacts for corrosion. If present, clean them gently to ensure better electrical conductivity and reliable key fob performance. In some cases, your key fob may need to be resynced with your vehicle after a battery replacement. This happens because the battery change can temporarily reset the wireless connection between the fob and your Chevy SS. To resync, start by inserting the key into the ignition switch. Then cycle the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. While the ignition is cycling, press and hold the unlock button on the key fob. Hold it until the process completes, which usually takes a few seconds. This synchronization process should reestablish the connection between your key fob and the vehicle, restoring full functionality. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement and resyncing, start by double-checking the battery orientation. Make sure the positive side faces up as shown in this image. Next, inspect and clean the battery contacts to remove any corrosion or dirt, like the tarnished strips here. Also, ensure you're using a fresh CR2032 battery, as a weak or incompatible one can cause intermittent problems. If issues persist despite these steps, consult your Chevy SS owner's manual for additional diagnostics or visit a qualified mechanic. Looking ahead, key fob technology is evolving rapidly. Physical key fobs like the one in your Chevy SS may eventually be replaced by smartphone apps and digital keys, reducing the need for battery replacements. Trends include rechargeable designs, battery-free systems, and a focus on sustainability with recyclable batteries. However, for older models like the Chevy SS, DIY battery replacement remains essential and cost-effective. By following the steps we've covered, you can maintain reliable functionality for years and save on dealership costs.